Hey guys, it's me. Just gonna show you the tutorial for my first card trick, video. It's called the press the ladies trick. Yeah. So what you want is just to take out all four of the queens out of the deck of 52 cards. You want to have 52 in this deck. So now there's 48 cards because I took out all four queens. So you want to take out the queens and have 48 cards left. So you might as well just count them first before you do it, but I'm sure there's 48 in this. Alright, so first thing you want to do, you want to count out 24 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then once you have 48, once you counted out 24 cards, the other pile sure to have 24 as well, because 24 plus 24 equals 48. Yeah, so they're equivalent. Alright, just want to set them down. So once you're at that, you want to take two queens. They can be opposite, they can be the same, doesn't matter, but I use opposite because it looks more cooler. So you want to just place one queen on top of each pile, flip them over, and then you want to place one queen at the bottom of each pile, like face up, just like that. So you have one queen there, one queen there. Yeah. So then once you're done that, you wanna determine which pile goes on top of another. So you can choose either pile, doesn't matter. But what you wanna do, you wanna have a locator card. So just looking through the cards, just keep going through. In that case, I'll use the Jack of Clubs. So you put him in front of the queen. You should put them face up just to get the cards ready, and you want to just put them back. So this one has 24 cards still. So then this pile, since this is the Jack, you put him face down, just like he's kissing the queen. And then this is the Jack on top. This is the other pile, and you want to put the Jack on top of the other pile. And then you're all set. So you want to do some false cuts. So this is how I do my false cuts. Whoops. I'll do it again. You don't want to disturb the order of the cards, or else the trick will be ruined and you won't be able to do anything else about it, and it'll suck because you have nobody to entertain and you gotta redo the trick again. Alright, so just do false cuts just like that. So while you're at that, you go up to a spectator and say, alright, anybody, and when you're gonna shuffle it, when you're gonna riffle down, make sure it's on the bottom half of the pile, not the top, because somewhere in here is where the Jack is. Yeah, here he is. He's just here, and you don't want him to be chosen as their card. So I'm just gonna riffle down, and then you want to start your riffling just over in the halfway mark, just here, not the top, just here. And then when you're going down, you say, tell me when to stop, and they say stop right there. Alright, you just put the first half down, and you show them the first card. So in that case, it's the 6 of diamonds. Oops, 6 of diamonds. And you put the 6 of diamonds on top of this pile, and the rest of the piles on top. So from then on, it's just a self-working trick. So you could just shuffle it any way you want, table cut it, just normal stretch cuts. That's what I call them. Just like so that the cards look mixed up, but don't overlap the cards or else it'll stuff up. So there. Alright. While the trick's done, you tell the spectator, alright, I'm going to count out 26 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26. 26. So you guys saw the Jack. The Jack has to be in this pile you counted out 26 from. So there's the Jack. So then the trick's working. So you just square them up and put the jack pile over this side on the left hand side and the random pile on the right hand side. So you just say to the spectator, so I'm gonna count out the cards, and once you say that, you just start now, and as you're going you just tell him a story that, oh, once my jack has been found from the cards, that means he's found your card. So he's gonna locate the card now, and once he's down, it means he's found your card. So stay sharp, and you gotta be careful because this trick is pretty tough because you can get it wrong at sometimes. So there's my jack. You want to just leave the piles like this, just square them up, just keep them there. So you just say all this random stuff like, so my jack cornered your card into an alleyway and your card had no escape. So let's see if my jack has really found your card. So you just give him some tension, pick up the jack. Here's my jack, and I wonder if this is your card. So you just slowly lift up the card, and there you go, guys. 6 of hearts, and there's my jack. And yeah, like I said, guys, this trick, and like I said, this trick would impress the ladies. I don't know how, but look, there's them. Just put them there, and look, you say to them, like at the start, you say, alright, I'm gonna show you the trick that will impress the ladies, and that once you get to this stage, you say to them, like I said, this trick would impress the ladies, and it did, and I'll show you why. And then you just flip over the first card on each pile. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and as you're doing it, you say, see, because all the ladies were there watching. So like, if you need any help, just inbox me, anything, sub me, like or dislike if you don't like it. I don't really mind. Yeah, so that's the trick, guys. Peace out, guys.